Imagine a visual map that guides you through each step, making things clear and easy to follow. That's the power of a flowchart. Today, we'll dive into this useful tool that can transform how you explain and understand processes, from baking a cake to designing a website. Graphical representation of algorithms is a visual representation of a process, system, or algorithm, typically using symbols connected by arrows to show the sequence of steps. They're commonly used in various fields such as software development, engineering, business process management, and education to help visualize processes and improve efficiency. But how do you create a flowchart? Let's break it down. First, identify your goal. What process do you want to visualize? Is it troubleshooting a tech issue or mapping a customer journey? Next, shape up. Flowcharts rely on standard shapes like rectangles for actions, diamonds for decisions, and ovals for start and end points. Then, use arrows to indicate the logical flow from one step to the next. Finally, review your flowchart for clarity, consistency, and simplicity. Then, share it with those who need it. What are the benefits of using flowcharts? Improved communication, problem identification, and process improvement are just a few. Flowcharts are invaluable tools for visualizing and understanding complex processes. By embracing their use, you empower yourself and your organization to streamline operations, improve problem solving, and enhance overall productivity. Stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll catch you in the next adventure. Peace out.